Best synthetic oil. Are you looking for the best synthetic oil? In this video we will look at some of the best synthetic oil on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Editor's Pick, Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Oil. Many automotive enthusiasts are familiar with well-known oil brands, but Royal Purple has earned a particularly strong reputation among high-performance vehicle owners. The company's API-licensed oils are fully certified with the latest API and ILSAC engine oil standards, and they also carry the GM Dexos 1 approval for gasoline engines. Royal Purple's synthetic oils are formulated with advanced additive technology designed to reduce metal-to-metal contact, providing protection that exceeds both GM Dexos 1 and ILSAC GF5 specifications. This technology not only safeguards the engine but also helps improve fuel efficiency while protecting critical exhaust emissions components. A key feature of this oil is its patented anti-wear additive chemistry, which works to minimize the damaging effects that exhaust gases can have on the catalytic converter over time, helping engines run cleaner and last longer. For vehicles that use ethanol-blended fuels, Royal Purple oil is an excellent choice. Its specialized additive package helps prevent issues commonly associated with high ethanol fuels, such as white sludge buildup and lubrication starvation. This makes it particularly valuable for drivers who use E10, E15, or higher ethanol content gasoline blends, ensuring consistent engine performance and longevity under demanding conditions. While Royal Purple is priced higher than many conventional and synthetic oils on the market, its performance benefits make it a favorite among enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its combination of high-quality base oils, advanced additives, and certifications means it is trusted not just for everyday driving but also for high-stress, performance-oriented applications, earning it widespread recognition as one of the most reliable and highly rated synthetic oils available today. Number 2. Best for diesel engines, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Oil. If you own a diesel engine and are looking for a high-quality synthetic oil, Shell Rotella is an excellent choice. Unlike conventional 15W30 oils, Rotella's fully synthetic formulation can boost fuel efficiency by up to 2.8%, helping your engine run more efficiently while reducing operating costs. The oil features Shell's Triple Protection Plus technology, which combines advanced additives with premium synthetic base oils to provide comprehensive protection for critical engine components. This ensures long-term durability and helps extend the life of your diesel engine, even under the toughest conditions. Rotella synthetic oil is specially engineered to combat the challenges diesel engines face, including soot, dirt, and other harmful contaminants that can build up over time. Its advanced additive system works to keep engines clean, minimizing the risk of deposits and wear that can reduce performance and efficiency. Shell also emphasizes the oil's shear stability, which helps maintain consistent viscosity even under high stress, ensuring proper oil pressure and reliable lubrication in all operating conditions. This synthetic oil is particularly well suited for diesel-powered vehicles operating in colder climates, where maintaining oil flow at low temperatures is critical. It is ideal for heavy-duty pickup trucks, commercial vehicles, and other diesel engines that allow the use of an SAE 5W30 oil. By combining fuel economy benefits, advanced protective technology, and excellent performance in harsh conditions, Shell Rotella T6 has become a trusted option among diesel engine owners seeking reliability, longevity, and optimal engine performance. Whether for everyday use or demanding commercial applications, Rotella delivers consistent protection and peace of mind for your diesel-powered vehicle. Number 3. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil features a cutting-edge full synthetic formula designed to deliver long-lasting engine protection and performance. This advanced oil works to prevent deposits and sludge buildup, helping your engine maintain peak efficiency and extend its overall lifespan. By keeping the engine cleaner, it reduces the risk of premature wear and ensures consistent performance across a wide range of operating conditions. The oil's carefully engineered balance of high-quality base oils and performance additives provides exceptional lubrication, protecting engine components from friction and wear even under demanding driving scenarios. In addition to protecting against wear, Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil offers superior thermal and oxidation stability. This ensures the oil resists breakdown and maintains its protective qualities even when exposed to high engine temperatures over extended periods. The formulation also delivers excellent control of oil degradation, keeping viscosity stable and consistent, which helps the engine perform efficiently and reliably, reducing stress on critical components. Another key advantage of this synthetic oil is its outstanding low-temperature performance. In cold weather, it flows quickly to critical engine parts, helping your engine start faster and reducing wear during startup. This rapid protection is especially valuable for drivers in colder climates, ensuring smoother engine operation and longer engine life. Overall, Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil is engineered to provide a combination of excellent protection, long-term durability, and reliable performance. Whether you drive in extreme heat, cold, or challenging conditions, this oil helps maintain engine efficiency, reduce wear, and extend the lifespan of your vehicle, making it a trusted choice for drivers who demand high performance and peace of mind from their engine oil. Number 4. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil is crafted using the company's innovative Pure Plus gas-to-liquid technology, a patented process that converts natural gas into a high-quality full synthetic base oil. This process produces a base oil that is claimed to be 99.5% pure, significantly reducing impurities compared to conventional crude oil-derived oils. When combined with Pennzoil's high-performance additive system, this oil helps engines operate more efficiently, potentially providing up to 550 extra miles per year in fuel economy compared to engines with sludge or deposits. This synthetic oil is particularly well-suited for modern turbocharged engines, offering robust protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, a common issue that can harm turbocharged engines. Its formulation also ensures rapid flow in extremely cold temperatures, providing quick lubrication to critical engine components during cold starts. In hot conditions, the oil is engineered to resist evaporation, helping maintain stable protection even under extreme heat. Pennzoil Platinum also excels in keeping engines clean, with testing showing it keeps pistons up to 50% cleaner than required by Sequence IIH standards, one of the toughest industry benchmarks. Cleaner engines improve efficiency, reduce wear, and contribute to longer engine life. This oil meets a wide range of specifications, approvals, and manufacturer recommendations, including FCA MS 6395, Chrysler MS 13340, Ford WSSM 2C946B1, GM Dexos 1 Gen 2, Honda/Acura HTO06, and Volvo. It also exceeds the requirements of API-SN+, API-SN-RC, all previous API categories, ILSAC GF5, and ASIA A1/B1 standards. With its combination of purity, advanced additives, and proven performance, Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic is a top-tier choice for modern engines seeking maximum protection, efficiency, and longevity. Number 5. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil is specifically formulated for engines with over 75,000 miles, offering premium protection and performance for older vehicles. This advanced oil provides excellent lubrication and wear protection, outperforming conventional high-mileage oils from Mobil 1. By reducing sludge and deposit buildup, it helps keep critical engine components clean and operating efficiently. Additionally, its carefully engineered formula helps prevent leaks that can naturally develop in aging engines, maintaining reliable performance and protecting against costly repairs. Mobil 1's high-mileage synthetic oil features a proprietary blend of high-performance synthetic base oils designed to deliver long-lasting protection, with some formulations proven to provide up to 500,000 miles of dependable engine performance. To further enhance protection, the oil includes an increased level of seal conditioner, which helps maintain the flexibility and integrity of rubber seals. Over time, seals in older engines can harden, shrink, or crack, leading to leaks. The added seal conditioner helps counteract this effect, ensuring a tighter seal and reducing the likelihood of oil loss. This high-mileage oil is available in multiple viscosity grades, each formulated to meet or exceed stringent industry standards. Depending on the grade, it satisfies or surpasses the requirements of API SN+, SN, SM, and SL, while some formulations also meet or exceed ASIA A1/B1, A3/B3, and A5/B5 standards. Whether your vehicle has reached higher mileage or you simply want to extend the life of your engine, Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil offers a reliable solution that combines advanced protection, superior lubrication, and improved engine longevity, making it a trusted choice for aging engines in everyday driving conditions.